welcome to Hamburg. If you have a Deutschland ticket, you can take this one. Boat 64 from the Teufelsbrücke. Alright, welcome to Legger's vlog again. So, I did not expect this one. It's free if you have Deutschland ticket. So Deutschland ticket is like a subscription, monthly subscription for all the public transportation here in Germany, and it costs only 63 euros a month. And this is one of the perks. You can see, wow. Enjoy the view of the Elbe River. It's my first time. Amazing. Don't forget to like and share Legger's vlog on YouTube. Wow. First station, Rushmore. Maybe I should try it, or it's too cold out. vlog. Don't forget to like and share the Greece vlog YouTube. TikTok and YouTube. Hi there, thanks so much. Welcome to Lego's vlog. Enjoy the beauty from the boat in Hamburg. I think you need to get off from here. What station is this? Everybody's getting off, so we have to get off too. So this one. Okay. What's in here? Maybe we should go to, I don't know. This is not the last station. I think this is the Altes house, something. Okay. Now, we need to get up. Alright. Thank you so much. Just use the ticket. The exit. And another one. I think it's paid. I'm not sure if it's for public or what. There's like a coffee shop. Oh yeah, 62 going to Landesbrücke. See? But maybe we should try to go there and explore. So everything's for free if you've got the Deutschland ticket. 64 and 62. Going to Teufelsbruck and then to Landungsbrücken, number 62. And then here's the information for the bus, taxi, scooter, bike, car. Alright, let's explore. Cafe Intention. So that's it, number 62. And this is the station, Finkenwerder. 62, 64, 65, and 66. Nice. Woo! We just enjoyed the free trip because I've got the Deutschland ticket boat trip. No need to have the, what is that, the paid boat service, because here it's for free and you can enjoy as well. So that's how it looks like. The red and the yellow. Yellow is going to Landensbrücken, and then the red is going to Teufel. So welcome now. I'm not really sure. I don't have the Google Maps. I'm using my phone for the YouTube live. Summer Garden. If they have an information board, then you can check. They have the MBs. Hamburg Centrum, there, St. Pauli, Harburg, Teufels. Polizei. Here. Information is over there. So this is the Dampferbrücke. We'll try to check the map. There's a map over here. Here. Oh, different restaurants. Oh, it's funny. Airbus. What's there? Other informations. Hotel. Where we are here. I don't know where exactly we are. Where's the starting point? Oh, it's really very cold. Let's just wait for the outro. But there's no information where exactly we are standing here. Well, oh, this is an insel. Okay, nice. And this. Maybe we're going to eat something here. Right, so that's it. You can take a bus over there. No information here where exactly. Or maybe here, number 30 or number 9 or number 16. I don't know. Usually in other maps you can easily find where you are, so you can make a plan. Okay, nothing. Rund. Standort. Yeah. Schöner Ausblick, number 9. Okay, so those are the information. I don't know where we are standing right here. I think maybe here, number 1. Yeah, number 1. Then to the left. Oh, now I understand. We're now here. I think this is the thing from. Okay, and then another bus. Yeah, so that's it. It's too cold. Right, so thank you so much again for watching Lager's vlog. And I'm about to charge my GoPro. It's low battery, and also my phone.